SVANTEK, continuous innovation.
SV973 comes with both a Class 2 sound level meter and a sound exposure meter in one device, which makes it the perfect choice for noise measurements at work. The meter runs on 4 AAA batteries, which are easy to replace. Simply remove the protection screw on the bottom panel. The data is stored on the built-in 8 GB memory and can be easily downloaded to a PC using the Supervisor or SVANTEK software. The unique feature of the SV973 instrument is the microphone with MEMS technology, lifetime warranty included. Noise source recognition or selection of hearing protectors, the SV973 offers options for 1/1 or 1/3 octave band filter and audio events recording.
Visit us at SVANTEK.com.